Hi guys. Oh. Hello guys. So you cannot see me because I thought I'd show you, but we are at a waterfall from our cabin, and I don't know if the camera will focus or not, but it's a nice big waterfall and it's very busy, like very crazy, wild. Just because we just had a lot of rain, and so it's really kind of vicious. I don't know if you can make any of it out because I don't know if it's like clear or not. But I'm literally getting mist from it. It is that close. Yeah. So hopefully you can hear me above all the noise, but that's what we're doing tonight. So, and
up here you can look that way and get a rainbow.
really? It won't focus for me, but it is very gorgeous. I might put some pictures in, but you can see it a little bit more. But down below, I could actually see I could actually feel the mist. So you can just see it bubbling. That's what I was feeling down there. So it's mainly just because the water is has been high because we've been getting a lot of rain. But yeah, you won't want to fall down. But normally, when the water is calm, we're able to climb across all these rocks and such. But it's too crazy to do that at all. I wouldn't even want to.
Okay, here.
So, but you can see that this is something as the water gets, and the mosquitoes here are really bad. So that's what we're doing. How far is you trying to get out? Trying to go down the waterfall? What? Oh no. He's getting closer to the edge. That's my grandma. She's taking pictures.
Some last pictures of your grandma before you go home.
So, let's see if I can get but you can see all that down there. It is Matt, you're in the way. You can see all of the filminess, but that was all of what I was feeling, and it's really, really crazy. I wanted to be able to, but you want to go back and get it. Yeah, I know, but I would have been able to, but you want to go back and get it. Getting some pictures. There we go. Alright, I am good. And then I'll just take you on a walk, but you can kind of see, you can see in there, but the crazy rapids.
Someday we'll have to walk the other side.
So, as you can see as we get closer, but it creates all this foam and stuff. Where are you going, Matt? You're good. I do not eat poison ivy. So, I might get a splash, but the easier way, duh. But there is a nice close-up. This is before you even get to the really big waterfall, but these are some of the rapids. Did I try to get to the edge? Rapids before. So It is crazy. Actually, some of the path is taken up by water up ahead, so we won't even be able to go that far. But that's because we've had such high waters. So it is literally flooded our path. So this is as far as we can go. Yeah. By this. We can't even take the path because it's flooded. But this is our view, and I thought I'd tell you guys what I was doing because I thought it was kind of cool that you guys could experience this. But this thing is now like a waterfall because it is flooded as part of the rapids. So normally we would go down this path and I would be able to take you further, but I cannot. So that is it. But make sure down below, comment, like, subscribe, because I do a whole bunch of fun things, and I'm going to be back up here. So I might be here again with my friend Megan, so I might be able to vlog that. But you get to see all my fun experiences, and so, yeah. And our like button challenge today is try to press the like button.
You don't even get to go past.
With a...
You don't even get to go up there.
leaf.
What?
If you can see, the water is literally brownish, and we get this foam from it. So, normally the path goes a lot further, but we can't because the waterfall goes way up. So, but even in these spots, it's like muddy and gross, so just trying to take the path in general is kind of difficult. But we might actually do a ski jump, which is right by this place, and we might actually end up going to this while Megan's here. I'm not sure. So literally, there's water flowing. That's how much water we've gotten. Actually, because we're further up north than where we normally are, an hour further north than where we are from, where we stay in our cabin. Basically, that means that we do not have. Actually, up here it was flooding. That's how much rain we got. We got like 2 inches, but they got like a lot more. So, but this is the foam that I'm talking about.
Like having tides.
But you even get waves and stuff. I love this foam. It's so fun. It's like... Yeah.
Wipe your hands on the boy's neck.
No! I just put my hand in some of the foam. And they're like, ew!
Wow, this is really something,
yeah.
isn't it? This is worth coming to.
Even though you can't even walk any further.
Yeah.
So,
You never walk very far on it, did you?
yeah.
Actually, I make it back up. Can I go down there and look at the view?
But
Let's look down there, huh?
But when the water isn't so crazy,
What?
Oh, I'm doing a vlog. When the water isn't so crazy, you can actually see go down there. But because it's so crazy, I don't really want to. But Matt's going down there. He's going to check out the view, and it's really loud. So I hope you can actually hear me during this. But yeah.
That's there, man.
But literally, all the white stuff that you're seeing is all basically the waterfall. So that's how crazy it is. So definitely go and check out waterfalls in northern Wisconsin. So it is literally crazy. I can literally feel the mist.
That's all mist.
It's all mist.
This is over our heads. There's different colors. Oh, that's a really good rainbow right there.
I don't know if my camera is gonna.
Can you see it right there?
Oh yeah.
Going into the water.
I don't know. I don't know if you can pick it up, if it's gonna pick up on camera, but there is a rainbow.
Oh, here. Stand in that hole right there.
Is it better there?
See it?
Matt.
As soon as he gets out of there, he can go there.
Okay.
Go, Matt.
Oh, it's really pretty. Alright, I'm gonna try and get a couple of pictures. Maybe I'll insert them if I feel like doing some editing.
See it from there?
Yeah. Oh, this is really pretty. I think you guys can even see it while I'm vlogging. So that's... Ew! Oh, nasty. I got mud all over my shoe. So these shoes are all...
Emily, would you like to go over there? Would you like to go over there? There's tons of bones.
No thanks. But as you can see, it's very crazy. And that's what we did today. But my shoes are all muddy now. Because that's great. So, brand new shoes, gonna be all muddy, and it's wonderful. So, remember to do the like button challenge and comment down below hashtag I did it, and comment down below if you've ever went to a waterfall before. If not, tell me if you'd want to do it. Look at that, nice plummet.
I do believe.
I don't know. Also, I got mud on me. Also, make sure to like and subscribe and share with all your friends, and I will see you in another video. Bye.